Hey, Mark Tackman here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited about this video because I've always wanted a bonsai tree for as long as I could remember. Well, at least since watching the first Karate Kid movie. My wife, for the holidays, she didn't get me a bonsai tree, but she got me seedlings from this company called Garden Republic, and it came in this really cool box. So I didn't get just one tree, but I got 4 trees. I got a flame tree, Colorado Blue Spruce, a Black Spruce, and a Brazilian Rosewood. So the packaging is really cool. Here's the directions. And the first thing that it says with the directions is that I need to pre-soak these seeds for 16 to 24 hours with filtered water. I don't have a filter system in my home, but I did have bottled water, and it has to be warm. So I'm gonna go ahead and use these 4 glasses here. I'm gonna fill up each one a little bit. And I'm going to go ahead and put 3 to 4 seeds in each glass, which they said. They also sent these little posts. I already went ahead and I wrote down the names of each one on these posts to put it with the glass so I can come back tomorrow and plant these and I know what I'm planting. I'm gonna go ahead with the Colorado Blue Spruce. Also within this box, I have these burlap sacks and starters right here. Oh, there's even clippers to trim the trees once they get bigger. So I have the seeds soaking. It's going to take 16 to 24 hours for them to soak, for me to plant this. So I will be back tomorrow to finish up this video. It has been 24 hours now, just about, of soaking the seeds, and I'm ready to continue getting these seedlings to germinate. So the second step is to expand the soil. So here's the box. Came with 4 soil discs. I'm going to put these in this pan. And it says to pour 2 cups of warm filtered water over top of the discs, just about. And it needs to be approximately 120 degrees. I have a meat thermometer in the water and it's reading 160 degrees. I brought some filtered water to cool that down. It's reading 121 degrees, 120, so that's perfect. It says pour this in, saturate it, 2 cups. After I do that, it says add more water if necessary. Do not oversaturate the soil. Mix the water slowly into the soil so there are no dry, hard spots remaining. So I guess I'm going to wait until these poof up. I'm back. It only took 5 minutes. These got really poofy. I sort of wish I would have time-lapsed it. That would have been a lot of fun, but I didn't. Oh well, so make sure there's no dry spots in it. Have a little bit more warm water. It's a little messy, but gardening is messy and fun. I think that's pretty good. I brought a paper towel to wipe my hands best I can. So now it says drain the soil. Oversaturated soil may cause mold. So drain the soil well by squeezing it, removing any excess water until the soil is slightly moist. Then gently crumble the soil and place it inside the burlap pots. So here's my burlap pots. These are nice. I love this kit so far. One of the things I love most about it is it actually has directions you can read and not just pictures. It has pictures and words. Amazing. Really makes it simple and great. Hey, here's my 4 burlap sacks. Burlap. I can't speak this morning. So here's my 4 burlap sacks. You try to say that 4 times fast. And it says I'm just going to crumble the dirt First, make sure to get any excess water out of it. Ooh, it's shooting everywhere. This reminds me of making latkes. Latkes are potato pancakes, for those of you who don't know. 3, 4 burlap sacks. Make sure that you have leftover dirt, which I have plenty of, and a plenty mess. Now carefully take out 3 to 5 pre-soaked seeds of each type and set them on top of the soil approximately 1 inch apart. So I took the signs and I taped them on the back of the glass. I have some cheesecloth, and I'm going to take the first one, which is the Brazilian. Pour it through the cheesecloth to catch the seeds. Alright, so I add 4 seeds in here, 1 inch apart. They're so cute. I love those. Alright, that aside so we're not confused. Next one is the Black Spruce. If your fingers are wet, you have to check your fingers to make sure they actually go in and not stick to your fingers. Slightly cover the seeds with less than 1/8 inch of soil that you set aside. It should take just enough to make the seeds not visible, gently enough out of the soil to make them flat and firm, but do not compact it. Please pot it in the area where the soil can stay warm and receive some sunlight. Is they give you this box to put it back in. Watering. The water from the soaking soil disc will provide enough water for several days. After that, hook your finger into the soil about 1/2 inch. Only water when the soil doesn't feel moist to the touch. You can use a spray bottle if you want to. It says step 8, after the seeds sprout. Once the seed germinates and reaches a few inches in height, place in direct sunlight for 6 to 8 hours a day. Okay, I finished putting the seeds in and it's all ready to go. I'm really looking forward to it. I've always wanted to have bonsai trees. So make sure to subscribe, like, and ring that bell for future notifications. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching.